What go on me people? So Twins of Twins cleverly inserted themselves in the war in a positive way just to remind people, the fans, that these artists are just doing a craft. And they're not supposed to take it literal. You know what I mean? And that we did try to reach out to fans all along to make them know say dancehall is just about the vibe of lyrical confrontation. You see me I say? That's all dancehall is. That's how we are trying to make the fans them know say that's what dancehall is. You know what I mean? I mean like the song, it's a good delivery, the timing is right, and Twins of Twins my people are good artists. Me always rate them. You see me I say? Are some talented youth them. You see me? I mean just like them vibes, as me say the song, me like the song, and the song appeal to people, make remind them that yo, that no because you say Gaza, no because you say Gully, no because you say J.O.P. The artists them are not really no bad man. You see me I say? Them just the badness where them a preach I just a part of them art. I don't know if you go take it literal and go chop up on one another or shoot up on one another. You see me I say, my brother and sister, I just saw this thing set, I just a part of dancehall. The lyrical confrontation for Shabba ranks them. You see me I say? I just saw the thing set. For Ninja Man them same way. Goes all the way back. You see me I say, so I just saw dancehall is. Dancehall just have that piece of vibes about it. And not something if you take literal. If you run up on Facebook or this man and say go suck your mother. Or not like that. I just a confrontation to prove who better. You see me I say which build the lyrics, build the opponent them too. You see me I say because them will get more lyrical. You see me I say I know nothing for when people take and divide themselves. You see me my people? But as me say, Twins of Twins drop the song in at the right time. Me like the song, the lyrics them straightforward. You see me I say, and a good song Twins of Twins, me like it. A good thing for appeal to youth them, for remind them, say, yo, this is just a lyrical confrontation and nothing for people take personal. You see me I say, my people, two man them always do it. If you look, the man them always go back go be friends after. So in at the end, you go vex with a man or chop up a man and go to prison. For nothing at all, because the two man them go down the road and live like superstar eventually again. You see me I say? Yeah, me personally think it's a good song and me think it's at the right time then drop the song. You see me I say? And Twins of Twins, me I tell you, them always have some clever song things in them song, and them always have a sense of humor in it. I mean, I always like Twins of Twins song them. You see me I say? It's just Twins of Twins when it comes to certain hit factor, if you get a real hit like when them write the Bounty Killer. It's just me don't know what happened to Twins of Twins. You see me I say, but I personally think that a good artist them. I think them youth are smart, and them always know if you bring the sense of humor to the thing. You see me I say, people, just give us your take. Peace. I'm out.
You think they want the clap, no, them have to take harder. And I be a